Tired of project chaos? Let's tame it in 90 seconds with this Trello tutorial. First, head to Trello.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see a screen where you can start creating boards. Think of a board as your overall project. Click Create New Board, give your board a name, like Website Redesign, and choose a background. Now, let's build lists. These organize your tasks. Common ones are to do, doing, and done. Click Add a List, type a title, and hit Enter. Repeat to create all the lists you need. Next, add cards to your lists. These represent individual tasks. Click Add a card under the appropriate list. Type your task, like Design Homepage Mockup, and press Enter. To move a task as it progresses, simply click and drag the card from one list to another. Drag Design Homepage Mockup from To Do to Doing. Open a card to add more details. Here you can add a description, set a due date, assign team members, and even attach files. Labels are your visual superpowers. Use them to categorize tasks by priority, type, or any other system that works for you. Click Labels and choose a color. Give it a name like High Priority, and save. Collaborate with your team by adding members to your board. Click Share, enter their email addresses, and send invitations. Once they're in, you can assign them to specific cards. Level up your Trello game with PowerUps. Integrate with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and more. Just click PowerUps and enable the ones you need. And that's it. You're now ready to organize your projects and boost your productivity with Trello. For more tips and tricks, check out the links in the description. Happy Trelloing!